how to choose coaching. Okay. If you are going for coaching, I think every coaching institute will have their own limitation. Some people will have limitation in terms of the faculties that they provide. Some people will have shortage of the issues in regards to the handouts that they provide. Irrespective of the coaching, it is you who has to work. Uh, One or the other, it is you who have to work, and every information is at the tip of your finger. And I think the coaching institute that you have to choose should have a robust program that will cover the syllabus well before and give you ample time to revise for prelims examination. And they are very accountable, so that they seek review of the faculties and the handouts that they provide. And um they conduct revision test, and they makes you revise the topic. I think you have to choose a coaching who have a plan. Even if you do not have a plan, you can follow the plan of the coaching institute.